Okay, welcome back to the module. So in this module, we're going to be uploading the first video to TikTok. Okay, it's really simple and straightforward. So the first thing I'm going to do is go over to, this is my phone obviously, click over to socials, click on where it says TikTok. And first of all, just make sure you're logged into the right account. I'm already logged into this because I've been doing this training. Okay, if you've got multiple accounts, i.e. 5 accounts, then you want to make sure you're on the right account. So just check MCL short 001 and easy3stepbusiness.com. All right, so I'm going to click on the plus account, or plus digit. Okay, there's a picture of my ceiling. There's my hand. Hello. Right, I'm going to click on upload. And this is the first video that we created. Okay, it says 4 seconds, really. Okay, so one of the things that you can hear, okay, is TikTok automatically add music. Okay, so the rule of thumb, what I always say, if you're talking on your videos, I would advise that you probably don't add music, because again, you want to be brandable, and you don't want to fall foul of their terms and conditions, or them falling out with their licensing because they can no longer use certain music. Okay, remember, we're doing this for longevity. It's up to you what you do. Some people say, you know, add trending music so you can get found on the algorithm, but it's entirely up to you. And personally, I don't have music on mine. However, for videos like this where I'm not actually saying anything, okay, just to have complete silence would be a bit weird. Okay, so we're going to add some music, but we've got to do something. Just listen to this. Hear that? I'm going like that, little bit of that. So I want to get rid of that first. Okay, so I'm going to go to edit, and this is the track, very similar to CapCut. Okay, in fact almost the same. I'm going to click on there, and we're going to remove all the sound from the video track. So this is me just making a little kind of noise. Okay, I'm going to go back. Okay, settings, just make sure that your video is posted to everyone. Make sure everyone can see it. Obviously, it'd be a bit strange if only you could see it, if we're being marketers, and also if it's just friends. When you've got a new account, you probably haven't got any friends. Okay, so you're just getting going. So make sure that's set to everyone. That's okay. It's everyone by default. And then the other thing is music. So are we going to add sound? So let's have a look at that. So go up to where it says add sound. Okay, and we can just have a look at the sounds. And again, you're not going to add sounds that you don't like. I mean, the first sound that came up sounded like some kind of, you know, parrot or whatever it was. It was weird. Okay, so don't worry, be happy, positive vibes. What's this? Let's have a listen. Sounds like a corporate video kind of gone wrong. Back in black. Who doesn't like that? Right, let's have that. Okay. Good. Okay, now it's just going to play forever, I think. Right, so I'll click on next. Right, okay, good. Right, yeah. Right, so what we'll do is click on sheet number 2. So remember all those ideas that we went out, we did some research, and we got some names and some hashtags for what we wanted. So the first thing here was how to start affiliate marketing with video. Go change it a little bit just to make it relevant for the actual video itself. So I want to go, can I copy that? I might have to type it out. Because I'm tethered on my phone, I can't always just copy from there. There's other ways you can do it, but I'm just going to type it out. So how to start affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing with video. Okay, that's that. Add some hashtags in. So I think I've already got these pasted. There we go. So these are the hashtags that we took from here. Okay, so these that we got here already saved. Okay, and that is us pretty much done. Okay, done. Let's post it. Okay, post publicly. Yes, we'll post now. And there's our video. So the other thing I would say about this is obviously it's a little bit too short. I would go 7 to 10 seconds with those short videos. But essentially that's it. We're done. We've got a little bit of bit of music to it. And I say if you're doing those pointing videos, add something to it. Otherwise it will be a bit strange. But that's it. That's it. And essentially what you've got the different kind of branding elements in there. So the way you dress, the way you look. Are you clean shaven all the time? Do you have a little bit of a beard? Make sure it's maintained. Make sure your hair looks the same. Make sure that everything is congruent. Your fonts, the colours, everything is kind of the same. So every time somebody looks at one of your videos, there's that nice pattern of congruency. When things change and suddenly the font looks different, so it's like, oh, I've got to try and readjust, okay, then it can sometimes knock your audience. So keep it all the same. But there we go, really simple. Upload into TikTok in literally doing it 5 or 10 minutes. Okay, so we're going to create the video, upload to TikTok. Now in the next module, I'm going to show you how to upload to Instagram. Very simple process as well. I'll see you there.